so dark. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adriana, where I do DIY and lifestyle videos. And today's video is a little bit random. As of lately, I've been doing a lot of hair videos. I don't know how much I will be doing hair videos. I don't feel like I am one to speak on hair growth or anything like that, because yeah, your girl's been natural for 7 years and this is all she's come up with. Today's video is going to be an Amazon unboxing, first impressions. I'm not even gonna call it a review, because how can I review something that I haven't, you know, dealt with yet? I haven't given any looks this summer actually, so I wanted to spice it up a little bit and see what I could find on Amazon. I've bought hair from Amazon plenty of times. I know people like to be like, you got that from Amazon? Yes, I did. And what about it? I'm going to be opening this extensions packet, and I know it's not washed, but I was just about to wash my hair anyway. Like, this video is super duper impromptu. I wasn't planning on doing it, but it came and it's here, and I'm gonna wash my hair after this anyways. But we're gonna go ahead and open the package and see what these extensions are like. I'll also leave links and descriptions in the comments below. And I have disinfected the package already. All right. Looks sexy. I'm gonna leave the information here, but it's called Saga Queen Hair Mongolian Afro Kinky Curly Clip-in Hair Extensions, 9 pieces, 20 clips, 120 grams, bundle Mongolian Virgin Remy Human Hair, 1 bundle, 12-inch natural black. One take wonder. So I open up the bag. Like I said, this is what it looked like. It was a silk bag. And now let's see what's inside. Oh, okay, so it comes with clips I would never wear. This is the hair in the package. They made it difficult to get it out of the bag. You need scissors. So it comes with 2 zip ties on them. Just gotta snip them off. This is the hair. Ooh, it feels lovely. She feels moisturized. Smells like new hair. So there's one with 4 clips, one with 3, and they're not equidistant. As you can see, this one, it's like 5 inches in between each other, and this one is like 7. Another one with 3. Honestly, I have kind of a small head, so these look kind of too long for me. This one has 3. This one has 2. This one has 2. Oh, there's so many. Another one that has 2. Another one that has 2. And 2 little baby pieces. And I'm gonna go ahead and Clorox these. I mean, honestly, I should just wash the hair, but I'm gonna wash my hair later today, so hopefully Miss Rona is just being lazy this time around. One thing I noticed is it didn't come with care instructions. Since it doesn't come with care instructions, I'm gonna go ahead and read on Amazon. Usually they describe how to take care of them on here. Ingredients, whatever directions. Wash and condition hair regularly. Detangle hair gently before washing. Do not rub or twist hair. Add a mild shampoo to cool water and swish hair till clean. Rinse thoroughly. After washing, add conditioner to cool water. Soak hair. Rinse thoroughly. Blow out excess water with towel. Blow your hair out with a towel. Okay. And allow hair to dry naturally. Do not expose to sun. Comb curly hair gently with your fingers. Do not brush. Okay. This video is going to be me trying these extensions on live right here in my room on camera and just see how it goes. So I'm gonna have to fix my setup. I swear my head is not this shiny, but that's how the camera's making it out to be. My hair actually looks really good. This is just like a demo trial. I'm not going to say how good this hair is or isn't, because obviously I can't tell. Oh, that feels so good. Now that I have my hair down, I would prefer to use a different rat tail comb, but I lost it. We're just gonna do a part. Like I said, one of them does have 4 clips, and I do not have faith in my head to extend that long, so my first part will be kind of U-shaped. Should I turn around? Yeah, I don't want to see this kitchen. It's kind of U-shaped. Emphasis on the word kind of. Obviously, I can't see what's going on back there, and it doesn't really matter. These are clip-ins. Less rigid they look, the better, obviously. So this is the one with 4 clips. I think they're a little bit too long because they're starting to, I don't want you to be able to see the clip-ins from the outside. So always make sure that you got hair left over. Then the next one, it could kind of be straight across, but not so straight that you've pretty much parted 80% of your actual hair under what would be this next clip-in. This is not an actual tutorial. This is just me trying it on for the first time, which is why I'm not going in depth. Maybe in another video, I will do a more in-depth application video, I guess. My natural hair needs some love and affection. I'm going to put this bearing right. So since it obviously won't take up all of your head, have it leaning to the right rather than in the middle. That way you can create layers. Again, make sure that you have space for your hair to cover the clip-in. So this is what it looks like when I clip it in. Let me show you the combs. Oh my gosh, my nails. This is what the combs look like. So now we're going to bear left. And sometimes you might accidentally clip on the clip underneath it. That means you're not adding enough hair. Ooh, it's kind of dip dyed, which is how my hair used to be before it fell off after I dip dyed it. Don't do box dye at home. Now we're approaching the crown, and I like my hair. It sounds racist, doesn't it? Or is it just because I know that it's a racist song? Get out of my neighborhood. Gosh, I don't even eat that crap anymore. And it blends really well with my hair. If I put the effort, my twist outs could look like this. You know what would be really cute? Oh my goodness. The reason I'm more strategic when it comes to the crown is because that way you can shape it and it's not just like sitting on your head looking any type of way. But once you get to the crown, you want to leave more hair. You could start parting bigger sections. Not too big though, because then you'll have like gaps where you're just like, okay girl, I could see how much of your 3-inch hair you have left out in contrast to this 12-inch hair. So don't put too much hair in there. Guys, honestly this blends in really nice. I can't even tell what's my hair and what's not. I mean, besides the fact that my natural hair is ashy and not as shiny as this one. One thing I hate about, you know, when you buy a new pack of hair is the very obviously not brown colored strands of hair. This looks like neon green. I feel like Scary Spice. Sometimes you might have to adjust your clips if you feel like it's encroaching on your space.
This is your space. This is your area. You can't do that, dear.
And now we will use the rat tail. So because I initially wanted to have a different style, the parting right now is not doing exactly what I wanted it to because the amount of hair is not equal on both sides, but we're gonna keep going. You know, that's what happens. Sometimes your plans just change. I'm gonna take a small section of the hair that's going to be in the ponytail. You saw how I parted that hair so easily, like butter? Well, you know what? I could do bangs. Maybe not. Put the biggest clip in there, but kind of fold it. As you can see, it's not laying 100% flat. Teeny section above that one. Put one of these babies. Look at that. Does that not look like my hair? Ignore my dry scalp, okay? I'm going to post a hot oil treatment video this same week. Since this is going to be seen a little bit more, clean it up. Alright, clean it up. Whatever happens under the puff happens under the puff, but people are looking at your edges. So I got a hair tie. Might be a little too high. I'm using the Pineapple Edge Booster Style Factor Gel. Even my mom's 4Z hair can be laid with this. You know, once she like sits on my shoulders a little bit, I trim the scraggly ends. I'll be looking like somebody's future wife. Look at my hang time. This is how my hair is supposed to look. Oh, I'm gonna be serving looks this summer. I mean, it's August already, but somebody's gonna see me. I see the potential for this. Do y'all see the potential? So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, a comment, and hit subscribe so you can watch and hit subscribe. That way you can see my videos whenever they come out and spend some more time with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm a real big fan of these clip-ins. You're definitely going to be seeing some more of this because I was tired of that wig. I was really tired of that wig. Let me know if you would like an update video or if you'd like to see a styling video of, you know, different ways that I could use my clip-ins. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.